This is boring. We've watched this already.
Virtual train and simulation is activated.
Did you hear that? You need to see this. We need to get out of here. Now! Have you ever seen anything like this? The smoke is too thick. We need to cover our mouths. Take this and tie it around your mouth. This will help protect our airways. Follow me and stay low. We need to get to a safe space, somewhere that won't burn down. The old school. Come on. Get down. We can't stay out here any longer. Look out! We need to hurry. Let's get inside. We made it. We made it.
At least we're safe here. No, we're trapped! Run! Stay low. Try not to breathe in the smoke. This might have been a mistake. Over here! Grab those fire extinguishers! Aim at the bottom of the flames! Seriously? Look for another way out. Look! The vent! That's our way out! Don't stop moving, and don't look back. I think we're the last ones to get out. We need to leave this town, and quickly. Get in that car. Well, that's lucky. Look out! The fire tornado! It's lifting us up! Cover your head with your jacket and brace yourself! Hold on tight! Wait! It's throwing us out! Get out of the car! You still got that extinguisher, right? That was intense. You know, I could really eat some toasted marshmallows right now.
Yep, almost there.
What's going on? Looks like an apocalypse.
Don't worry, it's just a traffic jam.
Are you sure?
Oh, no! Tornado!
What? Let's get out of here!
No, we must stay in the car.
Is it safe?
No, but it's even more dangerous outside. Let's leave the car running to make sure the airbag would work properly. You need to cover your head. Here, take the blanket.
Thanks, but what about you?
I'll use my coat. Lean against the walls and freeze.
Whoa! Here we go!
I've never been inside a tornado before. Have you?
Ah!
Whoa! Was that a cow?
Yeah! Poor thing! The smoke is too thick. We need to cover our mouths. Take this and tie it around your mouth. This will help protect our airways. Ow! We need to get out of here. Now! Yeah. Look out! Ah!
Are you okay? We're so lucky! Surviving this kind of adventure is like winning a lottery.
Build this car and let's try to survive.
Have you ever seen anything like this?
Not really. Look, the water's very close.
We need to get out of here. Now!
I'm doing my best.
Look out! Ah!
Hey,
Oh,
you okay? I didn't break a single bone.
we need to get to a safe space.
This is it.
Look out!
Hold on. We'll get out of here. I promise. Let's just try to run away from the waves. Hold on. I have a plan B. Oh no. Plan B is canceled.
Whoa!
All right. Let's give it a try. Not so fast.
Yeah. We need to get out of here.
I have an idea.
Here we go!
Come here. It's all over. Oh, we're so lucky.
Ava! Another wave!
No! Look out!
Ah! It's too strong!
Help me!
This can't be happening! Ava! No! She's not breathing. I'll need to give her CPR. It's 30 compressions in the center of her chest. Then 2 rescue breaths. Come on. I thought I'd lost you.
We can't go back out there.
We'll need to find another way out.
Come on, this way. Stay close.
We need to be careful. We need to get to higher ground.
Oh no, get out of the way!
I'm not giving up. We need to jump. Let's get out of here.
Now I'm up here? Hey! Ooh, watch it! You're gonna make me fall! This rain is making it hard to hold on to the rod! When Ben Franklin invented the lightning rod, I bet he didn't have a human guinea pig attached to it. This lightning rod is connected to a wire that runs along the building and directs the electricity to the ground. It sure is a long way down. What am I doing? I can't stay up here. I'll be fried. It's getting closer. There's only